Sorry, my video cut off there, but not every seventh grader is at a seventh grade level. Some are below, some are even further along. So I think these individualized programs are a great way to meet the students where they're at to progress their learning. Okay, just because they're at a seventh grade level doesn't mean we should hold them back and not let them work at whatever level they are at. And then it allows students to create their own content knowledge, and they can be creative through their learning. Collaboration again, very important. And then I believe it helps increase student engagement. The traditional way of teaching, where the teacher is lecturing to the class or just passing out worksheets, is not fun for the students. And technology is a great way to keep them engaged and looking forward to coming into your classroom. All right, what are some disadvantages? Um, so obviously there could be addicting principles with technology, such as um, social media. I know my students are always talking about their Snapchats and how many streaks they have, and it's actually kind of crazy. Some kids have over like a 300-day streak, so they're on that every day for 300 days straight with another person. So and then, just some of the negative sides of social media can lead to anxiety or depression for some of these kids. So I think that's a potential disadvantage as far as their everyday life. So just, teaching them that, they don't need to be on it all the time to still get out and enjoy life, disconnect from, the technology is a good thing. And then in the classroom, monitoring could be an issue for some teachers. Obviously there's a lot of screens to check on, and you're not going to be able to catch everybody all the time if they're on something they're not supposed to be on. But our school just got a program called what is it? I can't remember what it's called, but it allows the teacher to log in, and then you can see all the screens on your uh, laptop. So like I log into the program, and then I see like 20 or however many kids are in my class, different screens at a time. So then that's an easy way to say, hey, get back on what you're supposed to be doing. And then it also the kids are more aware, like, oh, now they know the teachers know what I'm on, so I better be on the right thing. So and then you can also just tie into like a reward system, like whoever's on the site they're supposed to be on and were actively engaged, they could potentially earn some rewards or however you want to set that up. But so monitoring could be an issue if you don't have that technology in your classroom. All right, and lastly, we have had a few incidences of some bullying going on with different students. It's unfortunate. It does happen, so we need to address that and set some, strict consequences for that because that's unacceptable. Bullying is not okay in any situation. So yeah, there is the potential for some of that going on, but to address it, our school counselor does a great job of talking to the students in need and setting the expectations with our students. So just some drama. But other than that, and I think we do a pretty good job at our school. So thank you guys.